What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be making one of my filling breakfasts. You have this breakfast, it's really filling. Honestly, I have this probably for like brunch, usually on weekends, and it's really filling. It consists of eggs, bread, some cucumber, some cheese, some turkey sausages. So you're gonna watch me make that. Stay tuned. So for this, we have 2 eggs, and we're gonna use these 2 eggs and we're gonna do a sunny side up. We're gonna have it a little runny, not too runny, but let me show you the technique. So as you can see, we have the eggs sunny side up. We're gonna let it cook for about 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna take it off of this pan. Now, you know the eggs are perfectly done when you see this crust. I also just cut up some cucumber in this style. Maybe I'll give you guys a tutorial on how to do this. All right, so next we have our sausage. This is our turkey sausage. We're gonna cut this up. We're gonna split it down the middle and then we're gonna put it on the pan. I'll show you that next. So essentially I took the sausage and then I just cut it in half and we're gonna put it into the pan like that. As you can see, you want it to get a nice sear, just like that. On the hot dog, we're gonna flip this one over as well. This is my special sauce that I made. It's just ketchup, mayo, and mustard, all equal parts all together. The sauce tastes really, really good. I also chopped up some red onion that we're gonna put on top as well. Now, it's very important that you toast your bread. I like it nice and toasted and like a little crisp to it as well. So we have our bread over here and our sauce over here, and we're just gonna... Now, I like to do a good layer of that sauce because, again, this tastes really good. So I'm going to do a good layer of that sauce just like that. So next is going to be this egg that we're going to put right on top of there. I also got some black pepper and some garlic salt, and I put that on top as well. Now I have the sausage, and we're going to put the sausage right in one side over here, and we're going to put the other sausage there. So we have our other piece of egg that we're gonna put on top of there. You see how that looks? And we're gonna put that right on top, right over there. And we're gonna build it to have a nice depth. So next we have our cucumber that we fanned out. And we're just gonna put the cucumber right down over here, just like that. Here we have our red onions, and we're just gonna put in our red onions, just like this. We're gonna throw it on just like, and there you have it, a nice fulfilling breakfast. This looks absolutely amazing. This will keep you full. Look at that, properly stacked.